Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We just checked in to the Caribbean Beach Resort in Disney and I thought I would share with you a room tour. We literally just got here. It is gorgeous and I'm going to quickly show you our room. So we are room 4347. So right outside of my room here, you can already see the Skyliner. Nice view of the Skyliner. We're in the Jamaica area. It's very pretty. And then over here we have a pool and I did ask for a water view, so this is what we have. You can see the lake right there, and we're gonna walk in. And when you walk in, there's a little table and chairs right there. Look at that pineapple for the base of the table. That's so cute. And over here, we have a fifth sleeper. Madison always likes to have a little room for herself, a little space to herself. And Mickey and Pluto are hanging out there on the hammock, and there are actually hammocks out here by the lake, so that's really cute. What I really like is this area here where you can hang up your backpacks and your jackets, and there's a little shelf so that you can put things up there as well. And we have two beds. So we have one here, one on this side, and then again the fifth sleeper, which is really nice. It's a lot of extra space. And over here we have a coffee machine. I'm always curious to see if they have a Keurig, because I know I've seen a couple of the resorts with an actual Keurig machine. So here we have the Cuisine Art and some storage space. Oh no, this is a refrigerator. Okay, so then right below the coffee machine we have a fridge. Very nice. And then we have the sliding double doors, which are pretty cool. So you can close off this area if somebody's getting ready in the morning and they need a little bit of privacy. You can close those doors. A nice big double sink area with some storage space underneath. And they have soap and body lotion, but other than that, everything else is going to be already in the shower. They don't really do the little giveaway bottles anymore. So here is the tub with a shower. And they have the H2O products right over there. And the shower curtain is like this big, I don't even know what is that. Some kind of Caribbean looking plant with a full length mirror. And I don't really see much space for like a dresser. There's a large area here for hanging clothing up with an ironing board. But as far as a place to put your clothing, let's just see what's underneath this bed. So we have some drawers under the bed. There's 3. And then over here, you have extra blankets, but you do have these 2 drawers to store things, and it's where the pillows and blankets are, but I'm probably gonna use it for our clothing because I don't really see another place to put clothing. So I guess that's where it's gonna be. Then you have your big screen TV right above this fifth sleeper. And that is the entire room tour. Really, really pretty, nicely done. There is carpet in this area where the beds are, but then over here it turns into tile. So the rooms here at the Caribbean Beach Resort are newly renovated, and I think they look really nice. Okay, that is our room here. We're in the Jamaica area and we're pretty close to the Skyliner, which really was my main objective. So I think it's gonna be good. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the tour of our room here at Caribbean Beach. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.